welcome to probably the most offensive tier list we're ever gonna do.
Yeah.
Disney Mom
Ranking
Smasher
slave.
Pass.
Oh, yeah.
No. Okay.
You're right.
We're gonna be doing a Disney Mom Smasher Pass today.
Yes, we will.
We're not doing.
We're doing. We may say whore, bitch, a lot of other things.
We may say quite a few offensive.
Feminine, offensive words.
As a femboy myself, I'm gonna take offense to a lot of these words.
Yeah. Shouldn't it go in that corner? Because.
Hey, look, oh.
Holy shit. Holy
Ooh.
monkey.
Let's just see if this.
Yes.
Alright, who we gonna start with?
Alright, this bitch. Alright. Wait. Is this Andy's mom? I can't fucking tell.
Yeah, that looks like Andy's mom. I'm pretty sure it's Andy's mom.
Alright, we're gonna call this Andy's mom. And even if it ain't, I'd say shit. I would. I'm saying shit. I would.
Yeah, I guess.
But she's not the biggest, but
I don't know what the fuck this is supposed to be.
That's Ego's mom from Ratatouille. That's Ego's mom. Did it just show you a picture of a black blob? I think Google's racist. Bro, this is Ego's mom from the flashback scene in Ratatouille.
Fuck that. Alright, sure. I'm saying from the back.
I can agree with that one, actually.
Alright, we forgot to introduce the categories. Smash is we would definitely do it. Shit, I guess means kinda. I would.
Alright, yeah, I'll do it.
I guess. $20, $20. From the back means I guess. Smash is a smash. Not sure. One night is it's a one night.
Shit.
It's self-explanatory.
No explanation is needed. One night.
Hell nah means definitely not. Right, anyway.
I see. That's Benny's mom.
Bonnie's mom.
There we go. I say I'm saying full on.
I'm
smash.
saying shit I would.
I'm doing it.
Since we can't agree on that, we're just gonna go shit I would.
Alright, shit I would.
Alright, Nemo's mom. Snob explanation.
No more questions. The fucking
Abuela.
the abuela from Mexico City herself, taco eater, woman beater. I'm saying from the back.
Yeah, I could agree with it.
So I can tie her to the fucking
I'm
bone.
just gonna go to the next one.
Stop it!
Alright, this one.
Smash. I'm gonna pull those ears instead of the braids. Shit, I would.
Yeah, shit I would.
$20 is $20.
I'm already seeing. I've seen a couple that is just an instant smash. Yeah, I'll say just
No, not what I meant, not what I meant.
fine. Well, I guess I'll put a.
We got a problem.
Alright, this one is no questions.
Oh.
This one's still no questions.
Okay,
This
that's
one.
Wait, nigga, this is not all your tier list. It ain't your whole channel. I still own you. Nah, she stays in Smash.
Okay. So.
Alright. Now I'm saying, hear me out. That dumpy though.
On who are we talking about? Are we talking about still the first pin image?
Yes.
So,
Think of a piano on that bitch.
okay, well, you're saying smash, I'm saying hell no, so it's not from the back.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at too.
Okay, dinosaur.
Hell no. I hate this movie and I hate the bitch.
Alright. Well, Wazowski's mom. I'm saying that's a smash.
I'll tell you the shit I would.
I guess we're gonna put shit I would. I'm just gonna put it, top 3 shit I would though.
That's crazy.
Alright. I'm so here this mom.
I'll tell you one night.
That's a valid one night.
Smash.
Wiley's mom. I'll say smash.
Who with thou fucketh?
The kid from Ups mom.
Oh shit.
Carl's mom.
I'd say from the back.
Yeah, valid from the back. forgot his name. Definitely Smash. Jiggly.
Okay.
Alright.
The queen.
And the queen.
No, we out of this bitch. I'll say one night.
I'm saying that.
Ooh.
Put a top one. Alright, yeah, but this is our final tier list. If you don't agree, you're actually wrong. Actually, hold on. I gotta fix the tier list. Right? This is obviously a number one Smash. These two can stay there. These ones have gotta stay there. That's valid.
I think Riley's mom would take Coco.
That's not funny. Shit, I guess I would. This definitely has to go first. I don't care what no one says. I'm just look at what gets in the mouth and do. Like, I don't know, fucking.
Gotta import that fucking image.
Yeah, it seems like a very valid build.
Valid as fuck.
Ooh. Yeah, I think this is a valid tier list. Right?
Watching that shit jiggle would be great.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna show you all exactly what I'm thinking of. This bitch seeing that shit jiggle.
Okay.
I'm about to roll it up and lace it on that hoe.
Okay, we're gonna stop right now. I feel like this video is a little short. This video is definitely a little short.
I think we're not uploading that.
I'd say we are, and we're gonna pick a different tier list. And we'll be back with God damn it! Can you stop touching me illegally? Anyway,
I will roll it.
you sing "Laced It" by Juice WRLD one more fucking time. I'm killing you. You're not part of the show anymore. Anyway, we're doing a bottled water tier list.
Anyway.
What water you choose?
Shit. I'm choosing.
Actually, I know my answer.
I'm choosing Mountain Dew. That's not how this is not how this goes. That's not how that works.
Alright, let's watch this.
No.
Kidding.
My fucking lawn. Too bad. Too bad. You don't get to change your answers anymore, I guess. Wait, what did you delete, bro? That should be F, because no one does E as a rating.
E means eh.
E means Takeout says could have been better.
Alright, anyway.
Anyway, still water. Smart water.
Smart water. What do you rate smart water?
I'm saying it's not that smart to buy because it's too expensive, but it tastes pretty good. B tier. My grandmother makes me, yes. I have a friend PG water.
You haven't had PG water?
I have had PG water. God, you're fucking.
What's it taste like?
It's A tier. It's not as good as niggas make it say.
I don't know what the fuck this water is.
Still water. That shit that our grandmother always buy F tier. Negative F tier. Makes its own tier from being
Dasani water. See.
I can.
Other Dasani water. See.
I can see that.
This fucking water that the school gets us.
Negative 8.
No. Well, the fact that this shit tastes like it has chlorine in it pisses me off.
Oh, mine doesn't.
Mountain.
Mine doesn't taste like
Dasani
chlorine.
water.
Mine doesn't taste like chlorine. It tastes like pop. Lemon water, maybe. Fucking, what is this shit?
What kind of water?
What skybity toilet is this?
Search with Google Lens. This
Please
video
do.
is not sponsored by Google Lens, by the way.
Light water. So, smart water, but a little worse?
Got it.
B.
C tier.
D is crazy.
These nuts in your Maha. Okay, you're not joking. Shut the fuck up. We're trying to make a video.
Why is so serious?
Before I cancel this video, stop.
I didn't see that coming.
You're so funny. We have to go to our neighbor's house now to watch their children. Why? Because they're too bad of parents to watch themselves. Put that on there. Anyway, hope y'all do enjoy this video.
My cousin was invaded by the inside.
Alright, anyway, hope y'all did enjoy the video.
Your wife beating YouTuber right here is out.